Hi everyone, this is Erik with vbahowto.com, and I'm going to show you right now how to copy data between two worksheets. It's using a copy and paste feature on my website, vbahowto.com. Copy data from one worksheet to another. There's a lot of snippets, and we're going to take one and show you how it works. So copy data, and actually I can just click copy here, and it says copied. So I'm going to Excel. Thought it was already going. And this is a Excel macro enabled worksheet to save, just create a regular worksheet and then save it as a macro in Excel as an M. Here we have our Excel macro enabled workbook, and we're going to have some names in this. Actually, let's see what's on this code here. We have this is on the clipboard sheets. So A1 to D10. D10. So that part right there. And actually, just a quick tip: if you do something like this, and then you start, it's gonna just revolve around that range there with the, I'll see, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now into the code part. So we take the code here, and we could go ahead and press Alt F11, and on here we're going to put this into a, let's say, where we know the scope is going to be this sheet right here, and we need a sheet called Sheet2. So we know we have a sheet already called Sheet1, so we need a Sheet2 here. So I'm going to add a Sheet2. Okay. Now back at the code here, pressing F, and it's gonna, okay, copy what's in cell A1 D2, copy it, and then paste it. Then the destination is going to be here. This little line right here means it's a line break character. So I could just do this. So copy and then place the destination Sheet2, and if I press F5, that runs the code. Or yeah, F5. F8 steps through it, but now it should be copied. Sheet2. Okay. So you could put as many of these numbers, or you may have some real life situation where you, of course, you do. Like name, address, telephone number, or some numbers, some other numbers, blah, and put it in the comment below if you need some help with this. And actually, if I wanted to use this for in launcher from a button, I can go over here and click Insert Button, insert, let's say a shape. Okay. We don't have buttons per se, but we do have these use shapes. Okay, so I'm doing that, and I'm saying click this, and then I'm going to right click and assign a macro to this. It's right click, assign macro, and here the copy data macro, because it's sheet not one. The scope is sheet one, so that means looking at sheet one, it knows that is sheet. And if I click the button, it says it copied it. Now to modify that, I'm just going to add a little message box here just to know that it's actually done. Complete. MSG complete, and I'm going to save it. Now if I go back to the page here, so now it's going to copy it and say it's complete now. Great. So now if I change this, let's say I change this to 45, 35, this. Okay. Notice that sheet 2 has all this other stuff on it. So we should get on sheet 1, this on these values right here. A1 and A4 should be different. So we click this and it's done. So let's go back and check. Yep, it is. Copy and paste. And that's how you have it. That's all. Hope you got value for this video. Coming out to vbahowto.com and you'll see how to get this. You can copy and paste it into your worksheet. And launch from a button, or we can launch from macros. Leave it in the comments below how you want to launch this. And like and subscribe if you want more of these good old tips. Bye.